Yes.
Now, if you're going to catch the bouquet, you got to pull your pant leg up a little bit, show a little bit of hairy leg. Normally it's girls doing it.
Yeah, wait, I don't know about this. I was backwards.
What? Well, usually,
Well, for this you're going to be a bachelorette.
The ladies, the bouquet, and then the ladies, but I don't have
Hang on. Alright.
Даш, сильно не бросай, да? А то они не допрыгнут. Они готовы.
2, 3. Go ahead, pump it. 3.
Oh, they both want it so bad. I waited for 5. Oh!
Sam, loved you my whole life.
It's too late for that, Derek.
Is that a solid no?
Yeah.
Is that a solid no, Sam? Don't walk away from me. This is serious.
Solid no.
Come here.
No.
If you want a flower, you know where to get it.
Yeah. I'll let you know.
Baby, come back.
Don't wait forever.
Now it's yours.
Here,
It's
you
yours.
can have it back.
If I can catch it. And post it on Facebook. I can't.